Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove background from images. So at first you should go to remove.bg and then you can upload your image here, and after that when you upload your image you will get the removed image. So for example, I will take one example from here which is given by remove.bg. So this was the original image, and then this was the removed background. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for seeing this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel